me see.
I tried to put on a flash.
This is on camera.
This is what launches it. So you want to keep this in your hand and just pull down on this. Launch it like that. Keep this in your right-handed, right? Hold this in your right finger. Now, this wheel. I'll go ahead and take this.
Oh my god.
That.
Hopefully he does it right.
Don't launch, you gotta pull it back.
Ow! Good job, Tylen.
My finger's
Here. Ow.
My finger's buzzing.
Wait, hold on. Let me see this real quick. I'm gonna get a close up.
Yeah, that pulls back.
Okay.
Oh, but I don't.
Okay.
There you go, here's my.
Hold on. Let me get a close up.
I'm gonna launch it real high, and then you can film that.
Okay.
Right? No,
Just let it land.
Let's really film this.
Do it as far as you can. But don't break the rubber band.
See, now look, it's in there. This is in your left hand, this is in your right hand. See?
I just did it.
And you just pull this down.
Okay.
Ready, Mom?
Yep.
I think
Did you get it?
Yep. I've been recording this whole time.
This is your
Everything.
right-handed, wrong hand to start out. Put this in your right hand. Now look, get a feel for it. Put that in your right hand. And no, wait, now just go like this. Pull it back and forth. You see? See?
Whoa! Wait.
Do it to Jim.
Hold on.
We'll shoot it. And you can show it.
Okay.
my finger hurts.
It's like fireworks almost. It's like stupid fireworks. Whoa, now that one was spinning. I hope I got that on camera, how cool that looked.
My finger hurts.
Tylen, get near the lights so I can get you in it. No. Whoa! Wait, Tylen! Okay, yeah, alright. And close-ups here.
Just start pulling back farther. Yeah. Pull back farther. Really far. Like as far as you can. Oh, yeah.
Now me try. Can Tylen record it?
I just got out of the shower.
Okay.
Good baby, you're the
Like-
best. You're
Need
the
help here
gonna do
by
it.
somebody.
You're
Okay, like that?
No, hold this. Hold
Okay.
your right hand.
Hold this.
Yeah, like this. Like that.
Okay. No, the other way. The other
No.
way. You're gonna shoot at the floor.
Okay.
No, pull your finger back. You're gonna hit your finger like that. Put your finger back.
Oh.
Okay.
There you go.
The rotation though.
Can I try one more time?
No, it's my turn.
We got two turns.
Here, watch. Let me
The
take my turn.
rotation though.
Do it
Hey,
really
you
hard.
just come here, Lily.
The rotation.
Let him hold the thing.
Okay.
Yeah, do it really hard.
No, I want Lily to get this. Now look, you see? Put the hook on. See?
Yeah, I
This
can
is
see
in
myself
your right
too.
hand. This wheel stays in your right hand,
Yeah, I know.
and this one's in your left. And then just straight up in the air. Ready?
Yeah.
Straight up in the air. Right to
Here, you hold it, because they all suck at holding
Alright.
it. Okay. I think I understand how to do it now.
How do you see where do you see what you're looking at?
Where the light is.
Where? Here?
Yeah, you can... As soon as you got the...
Where do you look?
Kylan, you hold it. He doesn't understand how you do it.
You want me to set it up for you?
Yep, I do.
Look. Right hand.
Order on.
Go like
hand
that.
on the wheel.
Go like that. Hold that in your right hand. That's all. Don't have to be super hard.
But then
No,
with
this-
my left hand, I
This one's to your left hand. Hold it.
Did you say why you gotta be so smooth?
No, stop.
Why gotta be so smooth?
I like them bumpy.
So smooth.
I like them bumpy and you.
Helen, are you getting
Look how
it?
you're holding
Yes.
the stick. Look how you're...
My
Get
turn.
it. No,
Yeah.
My turn.
connect it. Like a be made.
You didn't even catch that. You were holding it the wrong way. I did catch that, liar. Don't try to play this on me.
You know I got it.
He's the cameraman.
Cameraman, camera woman.
Camera person.
Yeah, camera person's better. Yo,
Fail.
how is that a fail?
Shooting it this way.
Wait, JJ, let me get a close up with you holding it.
I knew that.
Straight up is out.
Build.
Or cheese.
Wait, JJ, hold it. I mean, I moved the camera
I
up and
knew what
down.
it said automatically. I'm gonna do a double flip.
Thank you. Camera people, camera.
Wanna do a double flip?
Let me do it again.
I want to do it.
I messed up. Let me do it again.
You get a penalty turn, baby.
Wouldn't it be my turn? You just went before him.
Oh, wait, no, it's okay.
Cameraman didn't catch you. Okay.
Caught it.
Okay.
I'm after you.
No, I'm after him.
He's after you, and I'm after her.
Yeah. I've
Hit your finger again.
hit your finger. Hit your finger. Hit your finger. Hit your finger. God, hit your finger.
There you
Really?
go. And she knows how to. Oh, it's my turn.
No. Alright, yeah, you can. I'll just record it and then you can record mine.
Try to get the double flip. Oh, let me do that. I'm gonna try and catch it.
Oh, Megan.
It's my turn now.
Here.
It's my turn now.
What the?
No?
Your turn. Billy's turn. You want me to set it up for you?
Yeah.
Didn't hold your phone.
Tylen, you're the next cameraman. Tylen.
Yeah. Skip the camera on this one. Hold your fingers. Hold your fingers on that. No.